Hey there guys, Erica here from Highway49RC. Thank you so much to my channel members and patrons for what you do, because you guys make what I do possible. So today's video is a slight bit different because I have absolutely no audio clips for this entire video. Because some idiot used the wrong microphone cable and didn't test her microphone out before going out and filming. So because of that, I am having to dub over a handful of sections of this video, so hopefully that's not too weird and you guys can handle it for just one video. So it's a nice hot day here in Cali, a perfect opportunity for us to give our cooling system a run for its money. And I just love driving this truck on the track. It handles really well because of all the extra weight. The rig is about 10 pounds overall, and it just handles super nice. I've also just installed a brand new Savox servo in here, so with that, we should be good to go. Oh shoot, guys, we got a coolant leak. Oh man, we got coolant spraying absolutely everywhere. Got the cooling system turned off. Let's see what we got here. Okay, looks like a hose just popped off the radiator, so what I'm trying to do here is get that finagled back on, get the hose clamp back on it, and hopefully we should be good to go from here on out. Well, you know, I say that, but I took another tumble and we got another coolant leak. Got it spraying all over the place, and looks like we've got a tear in our radiator feed hose here just before our thermocouple. So what I've done is I have just cut the tube right before the tear, and all we're gonna do is slip that right back onto the nipple, reroute it slightly, and we should be good to go. Oh man, here we go again. Got another leak. What is it this time? Dang, looks like both of my radiator hoses came off this time. Man, what a freaking pain. I am so over the cooling system issues. I mean, to top it all off, we're almost out of coolant from all the leaks. So what I think I'm going to do this time is try putting some zip ties on as clamps instead of the goofy little wire ones. I'm also just going to top off the cooling system with a little bit of water for now, but I'm going to spare you guys the anticipation and just tell you that the zip ties also did not work, unfortunately. So we're gonna have some serious work to do. We're gonna have to make some improvements on how the hoses attach to the radiators. So stay tuned for a splash update build video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please do leave a big fat thumbs up. If this does happen to be the first video that you have seen by me, make sure you go down, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. And if you want to keep tabs on what I'm up to, Instagram is a great place for that. If you want to chat with other fellow RC enthusiasts, check out my Discord. And if you want to support me in what I do, consider becoming a channel member or joining my Patreon. With that, guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.